Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're unboxing another printer. This one is significantly better than the previous one I am using. Mainly for the costly inks we have to buy, the ink cartridges. It costs about $100 for both color and black for my previous printer. And we had to buy them very frequently because I do use a printer a lot for various reasons, but the thing is, I'd have to purchase $100 worth of ink maybe every 3 weeks or maybe every month, and that adds up very, very fast. So I decided to get a new printer. I'm gonna open it up just like that. All right, this is I don't know if I've said, but this is the Epson et-4750. I don't know if I've said, but this printer is able to fax papers and hold a lot more than its than its upgrade. So it's able to hold 250 pages, comparing to the Epson G3700, which can only hold 150 pages. We'll remove these tapes later. Let's first go through the manual and the CD disc. Comes with a couple different books, a quick guide. This is in French. This is the English version, and the CD. So that's all that contains. The next thing is this. Scissors. On the screen, I will put up some information about this printer because my videos are pretty useless if because they don't contain too much information about the product. I just show me opening it. So I'll put some information about this product up on the screen right now, and yeah, should be quite helpful, I think. Okay, so 502 comes with 2 of them. I don't know if one of these fills up the whole tank, or maybe you need to use both of them to fill it up. We'll have to see. So it comes with quite a bit, it seems. The black ink is quite larger in size. Yeah. And here is the power cord, I believe. Nice. Put that away. I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna have to just open it up and everything and make sure all the tape is removed. So I've taken off all the tape. I've left one over here. So it just shows, I guess, to fill it up with ink and just turn it on and it's ready to go. Also has some different type of tape stuck onto it. So other than that, I've noticed that this, if you pull it, opens up. I'm not sure what you put through here, but there's also a section over here, but I'm not sure if, it seems like it would take paper inside there as well, but I'm gonna have to look up a video to see how this fully works. Other than that, since we've removed the tape, we see a screen there now. You can also see the, oh god, the focus. You can see that there's the black, the cyan, magenta, and yellow. I'm pretty sure, yep, you put your paper in here or something. Oh no, this is the tray where the paper expels out. Right, so if you put that in, there we go. This is where all the paper goes. And this can hold a variety a wide variety of different sized paper, I'm pretty sure. Not sure if I can, oh, there you go. You just hold this and you're able to move it. Great. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's see here. How do we open this part? Okay, so there's the scanning. Okay, you just push it up there a little bit and it'll stay like that. This box has been outside for maybe 30 minutes out in the cold, in the snow, so it's kind of foggy. But yeah, we'll just put that down. Okay, so you can lift that up. Does that stay? It doesn't seem like it, but okay. So if we lift it from the corners over here, how do I show that? From that right there. It also seems, okay, that's just a hole, but let's just lift it up. And we can see that we can also lift this part up, and I guess from here we can put in all the ink. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna fill it up with ink. I'm not sure if you have to remove this plastic thing right here. I don't believe so. I'm just gonna leave it for now. And yeah, so I'm gonna fill it up, get it powered on, and we're gonna print something out and see how it is. What happened? Does it just sit like that? Oh, okay. I don't know if that's gonna damage this part, but you can rest the top part on that. So yeah, that's pretty nice. I'll see you guys back. Alright guys, I filled out, oh, close that. I filled up the black, the cyan, and the magenta. I thought I'd show you guys how to fill out the yellow, in case you wanted to see. Well, it's basically the same process over and over and over again, so thought I'd show one of them just in case you guys are not sure how to fill it up, but I doubt that. So we just easily unscrew it, I believe, and then just open it up. We will have to lift up the top a little bit, slowly, just put it right in there like that, and just leave it. And slowly you may be able to see it fill up. Oh, my stand is getting in the way a little bit of the screen, but hopefully you guys could see that. It is going down. Yeah, we just have to wait for it now, and yeah, I'll see you guys back. Alright guys, I have less than 30 seconds, but okay, so I plugged in the printer. I also filled it up with paper. I don't know if you guys could tell, but that's quite a bit. It should be around 250 pages, and I did notice that you could actually move this around. Anyways, so it's plugged in. Let's click the power button. Doesn't seem to be working. Anyways, I'll have to start another video. See you guys back. Alright, so let's try powering this on. Oh, you have to hold it for a little second. There we go. It's white ring. Let's try and focus on that. It asked me for it's asking for a language. I'm gonna click English, country. Just gonna go to Canada real quick. There you go. Daylight saving time. I guess winter. I'm not sure about that. Date format. I'm gonna say day. Okay. Okay, so we have to apparently enter the date and whatnot. I'll see you guys back, and yeah. Alright, finished entering all my information. It says processing. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's pretty bright, so it says processing at the top, and it's a little circle, and it's flashing. I'm assuming it's gonna print out some test copy or something like that. But yeah, the last question they asked me was what was the time and all that, so I entered it. CD start here, sheet to complete, initialization. Okay. Not sure what exactly to do. I will see you guys back. I realize I haven't showed you guys around the box. You might hear some noise in the background. That's the printer right there. So anyways, here's around the box. There's some real good information all around it. So there, that's the front. This is the left side of the box. This is the back. Does it say my address there? No, it does not. Thank God. Okay. I think not, at least. Alright, that's in French, I believe. Nope. No, it is. And here's the other side. I believe all of you saw the top, but I will show it again once more. And now for the bottom. Very simple. So, that's the box. I'll show you guys what's currently going on with the printer as well. Focus, focus. Okay, it's still loading. Let me try. There we go. That's what it's doing right now. I guess it's updating or setting itself up. Okay, actually, let me rotate the printer because I haven't showed you around the whole thing. So that's how the side looks. There is an Ethernet port that is right, let's see here. It's right there, yes. There's 2 Ethernet ports up there. There's 2, I don't know if you guys could see that. But yeah, there's 2 Ethernet ports on the side over there. I haven't even seen this side. Little gap right there. I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but yeah, that's about it. Let's rotate it back. And its progress bar, it's getting there. I will see you guys back until that is full. Okay, so it finally has completed. To adjustment, align printer to the best print quality. Adjust, recommend, print. Okay. I don't know what A4 means. I'm guessing that's some sort of paper size. Oh God, it's getting so dark. Let's brighten it up. Now you can't read the screen, but it just says printing. I believe there should be some paper at the bottom. Yep. Okay. So this is what it printed out. Wow. It's pretty high quality compared to my previous printer. One says zeros, blank pages, total pages, borderless, these color, oh my God, focus. There are the blacks, cyan, yellow, magenta. Nice. Now it says check the printer pattern and select the closer result. Well, what the hell? Do I look at like the thing over here? I mean, look, the lines are like all there. It's just that the lines are not exactly straight, I guess you'd say. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna select O. I'm guessing that's the one to go for. It's the most comparable one. Similar. I'm going to fix the... I mean, I guess, I already done this. Wait. Did I just do this? I don't know. Quite loud. Fuck. Alright. Just another one printing out. Oh, until that's done, I guess I'll show you guys my previous one, which is right here. You can actually see me in the screen right there. Focus, please. Thank you. This one just eats up a lot of ink. Definitely do not recommend this printer anymore. It's the HP Envy 4520. The ink is very expensive on this one. I'll have both the cables bundled up right here. Just gonna leave it. And would you look at that? It is done. Okay, so it's another test. Okay, I see. Alright, it's finally been completed. So if we turn it on right now, almost all the setting up is done. The faxing is not, like the fax system, I guess you would call it, or the or connecting your phone, and what's it called? Yeah, and that's about it, I think. But they put me through a series of multiple other tests. I don't think I've showed this one to you guys, or this one, or maybe this one. But I think I've showed you the other ones. Yep. So this is the user interface. You can like swipe your finger around, or you can click the arrows at the bottom, right? And you can click the black ink at the top, and it'll show you remaining capacity of maintenance box. I'm not sure what that means, but I think that's how much ink there is. And if you click the home button, it'll just leave you where you are. Let's see if I go into settings. These are the options that come up. General settings, maintenance, printer sheet, paper count, user settings, restore default, firmware update. Oh god. General settings, printer network, web services settings, whatever. It's all that stuff. So I think I've covered quite a bit. So that's as far as this video will go. Any further questions you have, put them down below. I will do my best to answer them. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.